Welcome! In front of me I have Xiaomi POCO X3 Pro, and today I will show you a couple tricks with your camera. So let's open the camera, and at the first we are going to focus on the settings that we can find in this camera smartphone. Let's stop right here and go for the settings. And the first one, we can mark our photos. When you enable the watermark, tap on the device watermark. Here you can customize it. So let's leave it like HardReset.Info and just take a look when you take a photo, just like that. Now you have to take a look on the left upper corner, on the bottom corner, and there we got the mark that POCO X3 Pro and made by the HardReset.Info. So if you are posting photos on Instagram, it will be definitely worth to get it. Let's go back for the settings, because here we got also a very useful volume buttons function. We can use this as a volume, we can go for the zoom, shutter countdown and shutter normal. Let's go for the zoom and take a look how it works when you grab your phone like that and use volume up or volume down button. You can smoothly zoom to the objects, just like that. As you can see, it works really smooth. And if you want to zoom out, you have to click and hold the volume down button. For me, it's much easier to use the volume button instead of pinching the screen like that. Okay, and I think it will be the last option in the settings. When you go here, here we can go for customize general settings, and we can change our shutter sound, as you can hear. So you have to decide which one you want to get. I think that the film is the best, so just let's take photo. Okay, let's enable sound on the smartphone. Oh, wait, there's some kind of the game in the... Never mind. Yeah, so take photo. Okay, honestly, it doesn't work. What's up? Come on. What is going on here? Okay, we have to enable the shutter sound. My bad. Yeah, right now we can hear the shutter sound that we changed. Okay, right now let's focus on the modes that we got here, and the most interesting we can find, of course, the dual video. So we can record the video from the two lenses at the same time. We can go for the rear camera and the front camera. You can also switch it like that, and you can resize. I mean, you can make one of them smaller or bigger, just like that. And if you have to record the video, you have to tap on this button, and that's how we can record the dual video on the POCO X3 Pro. When we are here, we can also find, I think that's the most useful option, the clone. So we have to put our smartphone into the horizontal mode like that, then tap here, and we have to put here some kind of the subject. Let's grab this one. Okay. There it is. Smartphone cannot find it. Okay, right now I can catch it. Yeah, let's tap the shutter button. Okay, let's move it here. And another time, bang. And just take a look what you get here. As you can see, we can easily clone objects on the photo, and basically that's it. Other modes you probably know about: the Pro, video, photo, portrait, or standard like night, slow motion, time lapse, or just documents. So I'm not going to talk about that because it's very common. So if you find this video helpful, remember to like, comment and subscribe to our channel.